Hello everyone, Graham Zimmerman here from Airline Hydraulics. And today I want to share with you a few products which could help you remotely service your machines or systems out in the field. So, say that you're an OEM and you're making a machine for an end user and you need remote connectivity to get into the machine at later times to make PLC changes or different updates to the system. You could design in a permanent solution like the Phoenix Contact M-Guard, which is a VPN firewall router that gives you secure remote access into their system at any time. But there are times that IT departments or controls engineers at that end user don't want a device like this always in their systems for security purposes. That's why Phoenix Contact developed the M2M Portable Box. This portable box can be sent all over the country to as many customers as you want to simply add remote connectivity over cellular or hardwired Ethernet temporarily to make PLC changes, system upgrades, etc. And then they can ship it back to the OEM like yourself for use with other customers all around the country. Now let's take a look at the hardware itself for the M2M Portable Box and how it would function in a network at your end user's facility. So taking a look at the M2M Portable Box hardware, it is a really durable box that they designed this with, so it is great for shipping and keeps all components secure. Inside of the box is a pre-wired cellular M-Guard, so that is the brains of the whole box itself, but really there's no need for the end user to open this box at all because of the external connections. Once this box arrives at the end user, they simply just need to power the box via a standard AC cable that comes with the box itself. As far as connecting to the internet, there is either cellular built into this with an antenna or a WAN port where they can locally connect to the internet connection in the facility. And then there's a LAN port on it where they'll connect directly to their machine itself. And then there's even a push button to start the VPN connection to the secure cloud hosted by Phoenix Contact, where you'll make the full bridge connection to this machine. Once it's physically installed at the end user's facility, you'll start a VPN client software on your computer, connect it to the Phoenix Contact secure cloud, which will then connect to this box, giving you a full bridge of remote connectivity to your machine. In summary, the M2M Portable Box is literally an out-of-the-box remote connectivity solution that's great for OEMs that just need temporary remote service to their end users' facilities. There are different hardware variants depending on what cellular platform you want to use, like AT&T or Verizon. So you can hit this link and find more information on the Airline website that we have there now.